at Rubik's Cube competition. It is at the Dixon Historic Center. This is a WCA, which is World Cubing Association event. It is an official event. We have to be delegate. And what we're doing is we are promoting speed cubing.
My son has been doing Rubik's Cube. He's been solving it probably since, I don't know, 4th grade maybe. He's getting ready to go into high school. And just about 5 months ago, he decided to get more serious. So he started studying how to solve the Rubik's Cube with different methods. But it started off as just a fun exercise to see if you can solve it, and then how fast can you solve it, and then he just kind of did his own research. And at one point last year, he just told my wife and I, said, you know what, I'm not sure if I want to compete, but I just want to see one of these competitions. And so we found a competition in New Albany, Ohio, a couple of weeks ago, and so we signed up for that, and then we found out that there's going to be one in Dixon, so this is actually his second competition.
Basically, WCA, World Cubing Association, is just a bunch of people that pretty much came together and said, hey, this is fun, and some people do it. And so then it's sort of just taken off, because then things have been in the media about it, and sort of cubing, I think, is here to stay. What's really nice about the cubing community is pretty much no matter what competition, there's always something interesting going on, and you can always learn something. The cubing community is very supportive online, a lot of different community forums, and basically everyone Skypes everyone. It seems to work out very well.
I really think that it's a very family contest. Usually when people come, almost always bring an entourage. They have family because they travel so far. We always have things in the area